In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a client's details in Hubstaff. If you need to update information for an existing client, Hubstaff makes the process very straightforward. This is useful whenever client details change and you want to keep everything accurate and organized inside your workspace. The key is simply knowing where to find the client section and how to access the edit option. To begin, log into your Hubstaff account and make sure you're on the main dashboard or home area where you can see the navigation menu. From there, look for the project management section. You may see a small arrow next to it, and that arrow is used to expand the menu so you can view additional options underneath it. Go ahead and click the arrow on project management to open that section. Once the menu expands, look for the clients option. This is where Hubstaff stores the list of clients connected to your projects and workspace. Click on clients to open the client management page. After that page loads, you should see the list of available clients currently added to the account. Next, find the specific client whose information you want to change. On the same row as that client, look for the action option. This is typically where Hubstaff places management choices for that client, such as making updates or performing other account-related tasks. Click on Action to open the available options. From the Action menu, select Edit Client. This will open the client's details so you can make the necessary changes. At this point, review the information carefully and update whatever needs to be corrected or refreshed. It's always a good idea to double-check the details before saving, especially if this client is linked to active projects, billing information, or internal records. Once your edits are complete, make sure to save the changes so the updated information is applied successfully. If you leave the page without saving, your updates may not be recorded. And that's it. To edit a client's details in Hubstaff, open the arrow next to Project Management, click Clients, choose Action for the client you want to update, and then click Edit Client. It's a quick process, but keeping client records updated can make a big difference in staying organized and avoiding confusion later on.